Good morning, YouTube. What is going on? I am Team Midnight and I am back in this video. So this happened 6 months ago. I'm gonna put the picture up right now. I was in a accident, hit and run. So anyway, after 6 months of waiting, finally the parts have come in and I have an appointment. So it's time to go get it fixed. And the light is messed up. It's a big dent right there, and the rear diffuser. There we go. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be dropping off the car, and I'm about an hour early, so I got to wait an hour till they open. Then after that, I'm going to be heading to the airport to pick up a rental car. So this should be a pretty fun vlog, I think. Let's go. Put on the brake. This is a good way to start the morning. All right, so the car is dropped off now. I got to walk to the Waldwick train station, and then I got to get my rental car at Newark Airport. Take the train to the airport, pick up the car. Let's go. It's like a 20-minute walk down this road. I got to turn left or something. Clear blue sky. Don't let that blue sky fool you. It's freaking cold. It's like 65 degrees. For me, that's cold. Actually, I think it's lower than that. Let's go. Check out the nice, quiet country roads. Nice and peaceful. Well, we're making progress. I think it's some kind of river down there. Look at that. I took a second shower today. No, I didn't. I actually ran across the thing on the road when there was no cars. Yeah, we should be getting pretty close. I wonder if this is like a lake or something. It looks like a lake. I was walking from that road over there. I noticed it was like a lake or something. We gotta check it out. It's definitely a lake. Yeah, well. I saw it from over there. There's that lake. Pretty cool. Where's the garbage can? Let's take a closer look at that lake. Oh wow, nice. It's like a mirror image of the tree line. Wow. Nice fall views here in northern Jersey. Wow, very nice. Nice, quiet, and peaceful. Anyway, next I gotta keep going that way. Let's go. Well, that wasn't that bad of a walk. Here's the train station already. Yeah, it's really bright. Let's go get some tickets. Bam, just got our ticket, Waldwick to Newark Airport. Gotta check when the next train is. Hope I'm on the right side of the track. Because if I'm not on the right side of the track, I gotta climb that thing and go over. I'm pretty sure I'm on the right. Hoboken, NYC. I think that's the way it's going, so we're on the right track. Woo! I think there's a train coming. It's kind of taking its time, but you know what? It's Monday. Take your time. Yeah, pretty sure I don't have to climb that thing. I mean, if I did, I wouldn't really care. It would be really scary. Imagine that. Wow. Pretty quiet on this train. made it to this caucus. Now we gotta find the train to the airport. Let's go. There we go, airport. So the car I ended up getting was actually a car that I really wanted to drive for a long time. This is the 2021 Honda Accord. This is, of course, with the CVT 1.5 liter engine. But I always wanted to drive the 10th generation Honda Accord. So this will be a good experiment for a couple days. So I've been driving the Honda Accord with a 1.5 turbo engine in it for a little bit now. And I realized that personally, I can only drive it in sport mode. Because like the normal mode is not really all that engaging or not really that peppy. Well, when you put it in sport mode though, that 192 horsepower actually begins to you actually kind of hear it a little bit, even though the sound might be fake. Let's check it out. And you can probably barely hear it, but brakes are not bad. These are standard brakes. Not bad. I always wanted to drive the 10th gen Honda Accord, so got to check that off my list. Preferably, I would have drawn the 2-liter turbo version, but at least I'm still getting a feel for how this car drives. All right, so that's the end of the vlog for today. Basically, to be continued. The X3 is being worked on, and hopefully it'll be done about within a week or so. In the meantime, I have the Honda Accord for a couple of days, so I'm kind of excited to drive this and see how it drives. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.